Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Hannah. Today we're talking about protein. And I'm not talking about protein that you ingest. I'm talking about protein that you put in your hair. I'm actually going to be doing a protein treatment, which is something that I probably should have done a while ago. I have delved into the realm of wavy and curly hair in the past maybe 6 to 8 months and kind of realized that I do indeed have wavy / curly hair, which has been an amazing journey so far, and I'm trying to just continue to learn and grow and figure out exactly what my hair needs. So I have really thick, crazy coarse hair. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you might be aware of that. So today we're going to be doing a protein treatment. I have never personally given my hair a protein treatment or done a protein treatment on my hair. The last time that I can think of possibly having some kind of protein treatment on my hair was whenever I was a child and my mom covered my hair with mayonnaise for like 2 days or something crazy like that. Let me know if your mom ever did that to you. I think she was just trying to help out and figure out how to deal with my hair, because I have always had crazy hair ever since I was young, and my mom definitely has completely different hair than I do. Hers is very like fine, thin, and straight, and my hair is thick and coarse and curly, so she didn't really know what to do, so she covered my hair in mayonnaise. I don't know, do people still do that? Do people still put mayonnaise on their head? I don't know if it works. Maybe it actually is a really good thing to do. Maybe we'll try that in another video. I don't know. Anyway, all that aside, I really wanted to try a protein treatment because I have not given myself a protein treatment. I have bleached my hair a million times. My hair at this time last year was platinum, like white, and I upkept that until maybe like a couple months ago. I actually dyed my hair brown and then I went purple, and this is the purple fading out. It's kind of like a burgundy color now, which is actually really pretty. But yeah, so at this point I'm keeping this color. I'm thinking about doing something different. Let me know if you have any recommendations for colors that you'd like to see, because I'm thinking about pulling this color out and doing something else, but let me know. Anyway, that's a different story. I would say that because I haven't given my hair any protein treatments, I don't know how it's still like doing so good. I don't even know if my hair needs protein at this point, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I think we'll find out. It probably does, since I have bleached it a million times and never used a protein treatment. I feel like it probably needs protein, so we'll see. So that's why I bought 2 products. So the first one is a protein treatment, and then the second one is like an extreme moisturizing treatment. So you use this one first and then you follow with this so that you can create that balance and make sure that your hair isn't dried out and it gets the moisture that it needs. Especially if you have wavy or curly hair, moisture is so extremely important, but the protein is what gives you that actual texture and lets your curls like come to life. My curls and waves are actually, this is like 5 days old, so I didn't do a lot of upkeep with them. I was feeling lazy. I was just working, doing whatever. So I wasn't like super attentive to my hair and making sure that it looked really good, because it just didn't really matter, I guess. After starting to follow a curly hair routine, I noticed that initially my curls were like, they were like a lot tighter to my head, and now I feel like they're a lot looser. It's more like just like waves. I like both, but I would like to have like a little bit more curl on my head. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna try this protein treatment. We're gonna see if it works. I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Today I'm going to try 2 products. First, I'm going to be using the Redken Extreme Cat. This is the protein treatment. It is a rinse out treatment. I know that they do also have leave-in protein treatments, but I wanted to do the rinse out one so that I could follow with a deep moisturizing treatment. On the bottle, it says that it is an anti-damage protein reconstructing rinse off treatment for distressed hair. So it says to shampoo your hair and then squeeze all the excess moisture out of your hair, and then apply this and distribute it evenly through your hair. You leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then you rinse it. Then after I do the protein treatment, I'm going to be following with this. This is also a Redken product. Both of these products had really good reviews, so that's kind of what made me feel like I want to try them. This one is called the Redken All Soft Heavy Cream. It says it's a super treatment for dry / brittle hair. So this is another treatment. This is more of a moisturizing treatment, but it does also say that it is for like protein as well. I don't know, we're gonna see. So this one says after shampooing, apply to towel dried hair, leave on for 5 to 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So again, super simple. Retail wise, both of these products cost me $22 individually. So this one was $22, this one was $22. Not super cheap, not super expensive. I think they're pretty affordable if you're really looking for something that works, and we're hoping that it works. I'm going to go shower and try these out, and I'll be back and I'll let you guys know what happens. So before I take a shower, I just want to show you guys like what my hair looks like whenever it's brushed, because a lot of people might not be able to like identify with this hair, but they might be able to identify with my hair before or after it's brushed. When I say that my hair is like giant and frizzy and thick and coarse, this is what I really mean. I don't brush my hair like ever anymore, unless I've like straightened it or curled it or something. Whenever I style my hair naturally, I never ever brush my hair. After starting the like a curly method of styling, I don't necessarily follow the curly girl method. I don't think that everything that I use is like curly girl approved, so I don't like to say that. But after starting, my hair has changed so intensely. When it was more dry, it was like 4 times bigger than it is now. So the moisturizing has helped my hair so much. I just wanted to brush through my hair so that I make sure that all of it gets completely covered with this product whenever I'm in the shower. So this is my hair. This side is not brushed. I might have accidentally brushed it a little bit. And then this is my hair brushed. And it's just, I always felt like I was like Hermione. I have triangle hair. But yeah, I just have really thick hair, and I have like a ton of hair. Like I just have so much hair. There's just so much hair on my head. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see that so that maybe you could have an idea of like what my hair is actually like. Yeah. Yep, that's it. I'm gonna go into the shower and I'm gonna clean myself up. We're gonna try a protein treatment. Imagine if I just walked around like this. Honestly, I kind of like it. Like growing up, like, because I just wanted to have beautiful, like, straight hair, like sleek straight hair right out of the shower like my friends. Will never happen. I love my hair. Not talking shit, promise. But, holy crap, there's just so much of it. Welcome to the end of this video. So it's much later, the sun has set. Usually I like to use natural lighting, but because it is dark, I don't have that. So I'm using my light that I use for streaming. This is my hair now. It is almost dry. It's not completely dry. There's just a couple little spots where it's just like a little bit damp still, but it is almost dry. So I think that we can come up with some conclusions here. As you can tell, my hair looks very different than it did earlier. And although you didn't really get a great idea of what my hair usually looks like whenever I style it, this does look different. It did change my hair. I would say that I have a lot more definition, like a lot more definition in my curls. Look how shiny my hair is. Like, holy crap, it looks so pretty. It's like glowing. As you can see, there's like almost no frizz, which is like crazy. So overall, my hair definitely did like the protein treatment, and I think it really liked the other treatment that I put in it. The first product was really nice. The only thing that I didn't love about it was like a spray bottle, which I for some reason didn't realize until I was using it. And I used it in the shower, so my hands were slippery and it was really hard to like spray it and get my whole head like doused in it. I wanted to make sure that I covered all of my hair. And with a spray bottle, I think it's kind of more difficult to like know if you got it all in. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I do understand like if the product's consistency is a liquid and it needs to come out of a spray bottle, that makes sense. I just didn't realize that. And it almost made it a little bit more difficult for me to make sure that I got it on all of my hair. It smelled really nice. It was a little bit perfumey, which I really like. If your hair has too much protein, that means that your hair can be too dry. But I don't think that it did anything like that to my hair. Actually, my hair feels and it looks so good right now. The only thing that I did notice that I guess could be considered a negative about the protein treatment was that whenever I applied it, I noticed that the color in my hair was coming out like significantly more than before. And once I put the protein treatment in it, the color was coming out like a lot more. You could see the saturation of the color in the water that was like dripping into my hands. It was like a much more intense purple, so I could just tell that it was pulling some more color out of my hair, which personally for me, that's not an issue. Like I am fine with this color coming out and fading however it wants to. Like, so for me, that's not a problem, but I feel like it might not be like extremely safe for color treated hair. Like it might actually be bad for color treated hair. I'm not sure. I'm not positive. So maybe if you're thinking about getting it, kind of look into that just in case. Maybe not, maybe I'm mistaken. But once I rinsed it all out of my hair, I noticed that my hair wasn't bleeding any color afterwards. So it makes me think that it was pulling some of the color out of my hair. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. The other product I think is the breadwinner of this situation. I loved that product and I think my hair loved it too. So I think it's infused with like protein and conditioning treatment. I'm not positive, but I think that's what it was getting at. It smells really good. It feels so good. My hair is like so freaking soft right now. Like my hair is so soft. And it just looks so nice. Like, look how shiny it is. It almost looks like a wig. Like, it's so shiny. My roots are so soft and nice. And it just feels really good. It feels really good. I think that both of those products were amazing. I really liked both of them. I'm going to continue to use both the products while I have them, and then maybe after I use both of them I might try some other things. So if you guys have any recommendations for like amazing protein treatments that you gotta try, especially if you have wavy/curly hair, let me know in the comments below, because I am super interested in trying some other things just to see what's out there, you know, test things out. What works for my hair might not work for your hair, and what works for your hair might not work for my hair. So I am just curious to kind of find the perfect things that work for me. So I wasn't sure if my hair needed a protein treatment or if it needed protein in general at all, but I just wanted to try it and kind of see what it did, and it definitely has given me a lot more definition in my curls. I feel like there are a ton of curls, like a lot more. My hair was laying like pretty flat, so I feel like it kind of like brought them back to life a little bit. So I'm going to continue to do this like every couple weeks or so, just because my hair has been chemically treated, and make sure that it really holds on to those proteins. I don't know what I'm talking about. Upkeep your curly/wavy hair. Make sure that your hair has protein if it needs protein, and make sure that your hair is moisturized if it needs moisture, which I can pretty much guarantee that if you have wavy or curly hair, your hair needs moisture. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and then it could potentially help you guys with your hair as well. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a good old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I super duper appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.